Welcome to the process of streamlining your recruitment and training process using the Business Pointer applications. The Business Pointer application is a one integrated application which integrates your applicant screening process with applicant tracking along with the induction programs and trainings. So see how Business Pointer software actually integrates the complete recruitment process flow. Initially, a hiring manager or a recruiter will create a job requisition. So if it's a manager, he would potentially use the manager's services, self-services login and log into the manager self-service and create a job requisition. The job requisition is pretty easy to create because it's like a list view, more like an email application like a Gmail or a Hotmail where you have a list view and you have all the lists of your past requisitions. Those requisitions can be quickly transformed into a new requisition by just clicking a copy button. So you don't have to fill in all the data over and over again. The approval process is for the workflow. So if a job requisition needs an approval from one manager's manager or a CFO or different department people. So potentially that process is also enabled in this application where the job requisition can only be posted if it is approved by all the potential approvers in the approval string. Now the approval can also be done over the email. So the approver receives an email asking for approve or reject the requisition, and the system automatically updates that trigger. Now, if the requisition is approved and the status says approved, as in this case, both the approvers have approved the requisition. So now this is good to go for being posted over the internet or on the career portal through the ATS system or the recruitment application of Business Pointers. Besides this, it also offers a lot of benefits, like you can send out additional questionnaires, assign it to a recruiter, give a target fulfillment time, and so on, and even create a job offer. The requisitions are further made to follow a workflow, or it can also be posted to multiple portals like Indeed, Monster, Career Builder, Dice through the interfaces, or an XML feed can be created. So Business Pointer application actually allows you to broadcast your job requisitions and invite as many applicants to the job requisitions that can be collected in your internal database. Once a job requisition is posted, it will status would change to posted, and this is how it will appear on the job portal. Once an applicant sees that job application, he will fill in the position details and create an account which will be captured in the ATS system, so that that applicant is not applying again. Or I mean, if you want productive time out of it, you can even use our automated questionnaires. So the automated questionnaires help you screen out candidates. For example, someone's not authorized to work in the United States or is below the age of 18 years. So if you want to eliminate those people, you can directly have the application do it for you using the questionnaires that are created in the application. Now once everything is fine, you shortlist certain candidates, then you can even use our internal applicant pool and assign a job requisition, and the applicant, from the applicant who match the requirement, assign them a requisition. Once a requisition is assigned, then the interview goes through the interview process. You select an applicant. He moves on to the next stage. As you can see in the screen, there's round 1, round 2, and round 3. So it can have any number of rounds, and it's all configurable templates. And you can capture the scores and the reasons. someone is rejected, why he was rejected, if someone selected, why he was selected. So in case of a discrimination audit, you're pretty much ready that to answer those questions if the auditors present you with those questions. You also update your outcome. The applicants can give you a summary of the documentation. So once everything is fine, you can convert that employee into an applicant into an employee, and subsequently you can extend them a job offer which is conditional. Maybe you make them undergo certain training. If they clear the training, then they are added to the employee pool. So you can even make them wait in the waiting area before you convert them to employee, or before you add them to the employee master. Now, as you see here, that all the details are captured, applicant summary is presented. The system also have like a lot of reports, and you can also have them undergo an onboarding process. So the user gets a login and a URL where he's supposed to undergo the onboarding trainings. And this is how it integrates the LMS system with the ATS system. And the training can also be subjected to evaluation of the applicants through questionnaires, and the applicants have to answer those questions. The applicant portal presents those questions in a very comprehensive manner, pretty readable and easy to use, intuitive application. Once everything is fine, then it's converted into and your employees. So we'll cover the learning management system in another video, which will be the part 2 of this video. Thanks for your time.